Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial we will be learning about how you can create a new book from existing templates provided by Microsoft Excel. So in first or second tutorial we have seen when you create a new Excel file, then Excel provide multiple options to create a new workbook using existing template. So let's see how you can utilize those templates to create a new workbook as per your need. So let's get started. First of all, go to File menu and click on to this New button. So you will find there are many options related to new book. Using this button you can create blank workbook, but there are also some templates like make a list, total list, track my task, manage my money, personal budget, family budget, credit card payoff, mortgage loan, college course management, and let's see some more which are on office.com. So I am going to office.com and it will open up all the templates provided by office.com. So I am looking for invoice. So here it is, invoice template. Let's create workbook from this invoice template. So I am clicking on to this invoice template and open in Excel Online. So I am opening this template in Excel Online using this button. So my Excel Online will create a new file and it will open that file. Almost there. Invoice will be saved to your OneDrive. Yes, continue. And here it is. My invoice is created. Now I can change the details like for which company this invoice is. ABC Private Limited. Here you can enter address, zip code and phone number. I don't want it, so I'm just removing it. And here you can give invoice number, bill to. Here you can write your customer name, me. Here you can write date. So as you can see, it is formatted automatically. So it has given number format when it is created, which is product name. You can write it here. It is pressure cooker. Here you can write all the details related. Now here you can give description of your products. Model ICX3 and amount was 5,000. Second was model ICX4 and its amount was 6,000. Currently it is given a dollar currency mode or dollar currency format. You can change it by selecting all the fields and go to number format and selecting your currency format from here, like rupee button. So it will be converted to rupee. Likewise you will have to select these cells also and convert it to rupee currency. So now my all the money data or currency data is converted into this rupee format. So invoice, this template have already calculated subtotal if there is any tax rate, like tax rate is 12%, so you can add it. And if there is other cost like a courier charge or delivery charge, then you can add it here. So it will calculate all the details from this price. It's really easy. This format is already ready, so you can utilize it for your own firm and print it and give it to your customer. So this is how you can utilize existing template provided by Microsoft Excel. You can edit on the fly and you can use it on the fly. Thank you very much.